Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to import an SRT file into a Premiere project to where you can get closed captions baked into your videos specifically for Instagram and Twitter. So first off, you're going to take the video you're working with. In this example, I'm going to be using Earth Day, and you're going to drag that file onto your timeline. And then from there, you're going to want to identify when the speaking will start. So if you go here, you can look at the sound waves. It's going to start about right here. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your SRT file and you're going to want to drag it right to the starting point. And so as you can see, those are all matched up, and they're going to appear pretty small, the SRT here in the words, the captioning. So you're going to want to click on it. You're going to want to go to Effect Controls, and you're going to want to play with both the Scale tool and the Positioning tool. So for positioning, you're going to want to make these words way bigger. So you're going to want to bump the Y-axis. You're going to want to make it a little bit higher, and then you're going to want to take the scaling and make it a little bit bigger. And I'll give you an example of that. I'm going to go here, way higher, and then a little bit bigger. And that looks about perfect for me for Instagram caption. You're going to want them easy enough to read and be accessible. So, and then you're going to play it back and make sure it all looks good.
Thank you so much
and it
for
all looks
joining us
lined
here
up.
on Earth.
Perfect. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go export the video like you're normally going to do. You're going to want to click here, highlight your whole timeline, go to File, Export, Media, and then it's going to load, and then you're going to want to rename however you want here, your output name and where you're going to want to save it. Then you're going to hit Q, and then it's going to go to your media encoder. So it's going to render your video for you and export it. And